Where are we?
I'd say somewhere in the ancient world.
Pardon me, would you please clear out of my way?
Sorry.
Would you mind telling us exactly where we are?
Well, my friends, before you stands the greatest of all cities in the world. Behold, Alexandria. Allow me to introduce myself. My name is Euclid.
Maybe he can help us.
Of course I can. Now, what is it you seek?
Have you ever heard of a group called The Others?
The others? Oh, yes. I believe that's another name for the barbarians that sometimes threaten us.
Barbarians? That must be them.
Are your people in danger? Is that why you've come?
We think so. You see, we were told by a friend that in order to defend ourselves, we must consider all the factors. But we don't know what that means.
Consider all the factors. Excellent advice.
Do you actually understand what she's talking about?
Of course. Come with me.
Why have you brought us here?
This is a place to build your knowledge. Look over there. What do you see?
3 floating shapes.
What else?
They're all rectangles.
What else?
Each shape is made up of 12 tiles.
Very good. Now look over there. What do you see?
3 shapes again.
What else?
They're all rectangles too.
What else?
Each shape is made up of 20 tiles.
Strange. You'd think that 20 tiles would make more rectangles than 12 tiles.
Yes, you would think so. Now look over there. What do you see?
3 shapes.
What else?
Each shape is made up of 18 tiles.
I get it. It doesn't matter how many tiles you have. You can only make 3 rectangles.
A good generalization. But look over there. What do you see?
Now there are 4 shapes.
And?
They're made up of 24 tiles.
Okay, now I get it. Once you have more than 20 tiles, you can get 4 shapes. Interesting.
Yes, very interesting. Now look over there. What do you see?
What a surprise. 3 shapes again.
How many tiles each?
28.
What is going on here?
Yes, what is going on?
Well, I see one thing in the first group. When you multiply the number of tiles in the length times the number of tiles in the width, you get the number of tiles in the whole rectangle. See? 1 times 12, that's 12. 2 times 6, that's 12. And 3 times 4, that's also 12.
Length times width. That's just like area.
That's right, but allow me to point out one more thing. The length and the width of all the rectangles in each group, taken together, represent all the factors that make up the number of tiles used to make the rectangle.
Excuse me, I think you lost me there.
Well, then let's find you again. Let's work with this group again. 12 tiles in each shape, all right?
Okay.
So, how many pairs of numbers, when multiplied together, make 12?
Let's see. 1 and 12, 2 and 6, 3 and 4.
Exactly those 6 numbers are the factors of 12, and they also describe the length and width of the rectangles in the group.
Let's check this out. Matt, I'll figure out the factors of 20, and you see if they match up with the dimensions of the shapes in this group. 1 times 20.
Check.
2 times 10.
Check.
And 4 times 5.
That's it. It's a perfect match.